Yeah, we decided to do another video, but as we were walking to our houses, yeah, we found a bird nest, and I'm not sure if it's still there.
And this is what we found. Hold up, the bird is right there.
Oh shit!
You scared? I just scared pigeons. There goes the mom. Mommy's love the egg. Alright, look. He's gonna look at me.
We're in the freaking
Oh my god, that's the egg.
I don't know if you guys can see. Guys, what in the world? That's a little egg.
Here on the
What in the world? And then we scared the pigeon away. Guys, we got Alex in the building. Alright. Look. Very high quality bird nest. Very high quality. Here. Oh yeah, we got Elmer going next. Focus. Is it just the camera or is it the focus? Hold on.
You gotta get higher. For it to see it. Step on that. Here, give it to him. That bird nest.
This is the bird nest. There's an egg.
Ah! Very high quality.
Alright guys. So should we go egg hunting or should we look for more eggs? Yeah, we should. No. We're cutting this video an egg hunt. And guys, sorry, we updated 2 times in one day. So we're sorry about that. But we
Why are you gonna say something?
but we decided to do it since we were kind of bored before I left. Look in here. Trying to look for it.
There's no. How is it?
Yeah, there's bees.
A bee.
Bird nest. Alright, we're just trying to find.
You heard
Y'all
the.
heard the bird in there?
¿Qué es eso?
I see it.
What the heck is that?
Can y'all see it?
It flew away. Come on.
We think.
There's nothing. What is that? Just a tree that we can climb.
She's fucking scared of me. We got him in the vlog. Ooh yeah.
He's a fan of ours.
He's a fan of us, right?
That's looking for an ice cream man.
I give it.
I'm really a fan of ours. Messi? No.
But guys, we're gonna keep looking for nests. Just a stupid little fan ain't gonna stop us from doing. Guys, I heard that. It's like
Keep dabbing on them haters.
keep dabbing on
stabbing on the baby.
Oh, should we go up there? Look.
Man, that's too high.
I'm pretty sure there's like 10 furnaces. See letters. Hold up, we have to check it and.
I don't think we should go now.
No, let's go. There's rats in there. I'm gonna do a booty bucket. Alright, let's go in here.
Guys,
Yeah, I think there's an egg in there. Please let us know down in the comment what y'all got too. And please let us know what we're gonna be doing.
if you see an egg or a nest, tell us in the comments, please. What are we doing here? Where are we in the laundry? We're looking for an egg. Go check inside. Go check inside. No, don't take the camera.
Alright, we're gonna be checking right here. Bring the camera up.
No, bring the camera. No.
Nothing in there.
You can make little fun. Yeah, don't see. Don't take the camera. We don't see no more birds. I don't know, where are they? Over there, there's a field. We can play over there, soccer.
What's it? No, there's no. But we're pretty sure there got people playing soccer. Football.
Let's go somewhere. Stop in the prison.
He's so mean. How would you take the camera inside it? Hold on. Shake the tree.
Why? There's no nest.
No.
See how your nest wasn't there in the world.
I know. Take a bit.
Oh, look at this car.
Oh, look. We should follow the birds and see where they lead.
Bro.
Nah. Video, guys. Should we take out my drone?
Think so?
Let me see. Here. Take it out. I don't take it. Take it off. Nothing. You took it off? Someone did. Make one. Tape it to Elmer's phone. Tape it to Elmer's phone. But we can't find no video. We can't find no eggs. So that's probably the end of this video. Please drop a fat like. Please subscribe. XX Prime.
And please subscribe and Elmer Jr. Talk.
And please subscribe to Alex Apex.
Nah, he doesn't even have a YouTube channel.
But please follow me on Instagram, CrazyC2. Follow him on Instagram.
Elmer Pro 2.
And follow him on Instagram.
And subscribe to my channel, please.
Anyways, peace out. Peace.